Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic happy planner for the week of August 17th through the 23rd. And coming off of my more creatively inspired spread of last week, which was Hello Kitty, this week I'm going to go with a more just simple monochromatic spread using shades of blue. I love blue. It is one of my favorite colors, right up there next to purple, and then red depending on my mood. But blue is definitely one of my favorites. I'm gonna go ahead and get this washi laid down. Okay, so there's that. And now we're gonna add my weekend sticker. And then we have this big quote sticker, which I always like to put in the lower left. And a large box over here to put some kind of inspirational quote. And then I think I will put a quote by Abraham Lincoln that reads, "Whatever you are, be a good one." Another quote box. I have a checklist for Monday. A couple checklists. I don't know how I feel about these shape stickers. I'm more of a box person. Let's see, let's add some boxes. So we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What's that for Friday? And then the weekend. These are too teal. I guess these will work. Plan. To do. Can use that for the weekend. And then it's missing something. Okay, this might be a little bit of a stretch, but I'm going to use the blue flowers. So we've got this one. We've got this one. I don't know why when you're doing a spread you always tend to go to opposite corners. I try to fight that impulse, but I do not always succeed. Oh, and I think if I add a checkbox here, or a checklist, or whatever you call these things, that brings some blue over here, and then a strip of blue down here, some blue accent up here. I don't know. I think that's gonna do it for this spread. Not one of my favorites, but I think it'll be fairly easy to plan in, so that's good, right? At least there's function. That's going to be all for today's video. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of more content I post, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.